along, let's take a look at my spring foyer. And I have it all ready for the spring holiday. So I'll let you take a look at it, and then I'll come back and tell you a little bit about what I've done here. This is the watch party premiere. It is hosted by Friends with Super Channels. We do this every Wednesday and Saturday. You do have to be a member of Friends with Super Channels to participate. So it is GO, and it is only 99 cents a month. And as I said before, this is the watch party premiere. And this is my spring foyer. Now, I may go back and change it some, but this is where we at right now. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about what I've done. All I have here, I have my large black vase with the white flowers in it. Pampas grass, I should say. Here I have my vase, has the gold on top of it and brownish at the bottom. I've placed the beige and pink pampas grass inside of it. On the other side, I've done the same. Here on the bottom, I have the little cute white bunny rabbit kissing the little gold rabbit. I have my white clear beads, my book, Lifestyle, and I placed it beneath the lamp here. On the other side, I have the little gold bunny, and he's holding another little gold bunny. On the bottom, I have my box and a gold book with the little vase with the beads. In the middle, I have this beautiful gray jar that I picked up, and I have the gray and white beads. Now this came from Goodwill, and it is beautiful. On the other side, I have the little thanking man here on another box. The boxes were from Ross's, and the little bunnies were also from Ross's. The beautiful vases were from Ross's. The lamp was from Goodwill, and the pampas grass, the pink, was from the Dollar Tree, And the beige was from Hobby Lobby. The beautiful print that I have here on the wall, it was from Goodwill. Okay, so now let me take you over and show you the shelf. On the shelf at the top, I have a pink bunny, and I also have a glass vase that I got from the Goodwill, and it has the little chicks and eggs and the clear salt chunks in it, and those came from Bermuda. Okay, down here I have another box with my little bunny that comes from Goodwill, and on the side I have the signs that come from Dollar Tree. Now you come on down, I have the little mouse bunny with the mouse balls in the dough bowl and 2 pink trees. On this 4th shelf, I have a beautiful vase from Amazon with the flowers from the Dollar Tree, and another white vase from Goodwill. The little bunnies come from the dollar store. I have the same vase on this last shelf and a larger vase with the beads. Okay, that is my foyer and entryway for spring as of now. As you know, I may go back and change it, but for right now, that is my spring entryway. I want to thank Friends with Super Channels for hosting this premiere. I also want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this premiere, because as you well know, without you, I could not do this. So again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you come along and join. We would love to have you. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.